Ladies and gentlemen, today we will be discussing the tragic event that occurred on the 1st of June 2009.
Involving Air France Flight 447, an Airbus A330.
This flight was serving as a route from Paris to Rio de Janeiro, carrying a total of 228 passengers and crew. The flight began its journey at 7:29 Brazilian time, with the aircraft reporting a normal airspeed and altitude. However, just minutes later, the airspeed indications on the cockpit voice recorder (CVR) started to show inconsistent readings. The pilots were unsure of the actual airspeed, and as a result, they inadvertently stalled the aircraft. The stall warning systems were not designed to detect the inconsistent airspeeds, and as a result, the pilots were unable to recover the plane from the stall. The aircraft began to lose altitude rapidly, and within moments, the plane was plunging into the North Atlantic Ocean. The crew attempted to yank the plane back to an appropriate pitch, but they were unable to achieve this maneuver. As a result, the plane crashed into the ocean. Of the 228 passengers and crew on board died. The investigation that followed revealed several contributing factors to the incident. First, the inconsistent airspeed indications made it difficult for the pilots to regain control of the aircraft. Second, the pilots were not trained to handle the complex stall situation, and they failed to properly respond to the warning signals. The aftermath of this tragedy was a major setback for Air France and the entire aviation industry. The airline was forced to implement additional safety measures across its fleet, and the world watched in horror as another tragic event was reported in the world of air travel. In conclusion, Air France Flight 447 is a chilling example of how consistent training, proper equipment, and effective communication can help prevent catastrophic accidents. While the investigation remained ongoing, it is safe to say
that this incident will forever be remembered as one of the events in the history of aviation.